In this video, we're going to talk about AWS Data Exchange and how it lets you work with external, third-party data in a simple, cloud-native way. The goal is to give you a clear overview so that you know what this service is, when it's useful, and what kind of problem it can solve for you. AWS Data Exchange is a managed service that lets you securely discover, subscribe to, and use data provided by third-party publishers all from within your AWS environment. You can think of it as a marketplace for datasets instead of software, where providers list products and customers subscribe. Instead of hunting around the internet, signing separate contracts, and moving data using manual file transfer, you get a single place in AWS where data is listed, governed, built, and delivered directly into your account so you can plug it in your workloads. Data in AWS Data Exchange is offered as data products, and each data product is basically one or more datasets that the provider keeps updated over the time. Under the hood, the data is stored in Amazon S3, so you see familiar formats such as CSV, Parquet, JSON exports, images, or log files. If it can live in S3, it can usually be delivered through this service. There are thousands of products in the catalog spanning financial markets, healthcare, mobility and traffic, energy and utilities, and public sector or open data style fields, with both commercial and free options. When you find a data product you're interested in, you subscribe to it usually through AWS Marketplace. A subscription is essentially an agreement that grants you access to that product for a specific period, such as a month, a year, or longer, depending on the offer. Some products are paid and show up as a one-line item in your AWS bill, and some are free, which makes it handy for experiments, training, and prototypes. Once subscribed, the data is delivered into your AWS account, typically landing in an S3 bucket. And from there, you can connect it to analytics tools, BI dashboards, or machine learning pipelines using the AWS services you already know. Alright, to anchor the concept, let's look at a few common use cases scenarios. You might subscribe to mobility or demographic data to decide where to open a new store or branch location, for example. You could pull in a financial or industry benchmarks dataset to compare your application, service, or business performance against a broader market. Another pattern is enriching your internal data warehouse or data lake with external signals. For example, adding weather, pricing, or sentiment data to improve analytics and machine learning models without building custom integrations. Alright, that's a wrap for this video on AWS Data Exchange. You now know what the service is, how data products, the catalog, and subscriptions fit together, and where it can help in real projects. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.